Now let us understand how do we accelerate this journey? How do we see quick value? How do we deliver business value in months rather than years? This is where technology accelerators, reusable frameworks, proven implementation approaches, and trusted partnership become very important. Let us explore how Moschip is well positioned to accelerate your journey towards intelligent manufacturing. Over the years, Moschip has partnered with global manufacturers to deliver digital transformation initiatives across diverse industries and a wide range of industrial use cases. This experience truly enabled us to develop Digital Sky Gen AIoT and Agentic Sky accelerators. These are our in-house accelerators. With these accelerators, organizations can accelerate their Industry 4.0 and AI transformation journey with reduced risk, faster deployment, and proven best practices. Please remember, the journey doesn't happen overnight, and organizations need a structured way to progress step by step. That's where Moschip Digital Sky Gen IoT and Moschip Agentic Sky comes in. Gen IoT helps manufacturers with connect, contextualize, understand, and predict. Agentic Sky extends this journey further by enabling recommendations, multi-agent orchestrations, and autonomous actions. Together, GenIoT and Agentic Sky helps organizations accelerate your path from visibility to intelligence and intelligence to actions. The product accelerate another accelerator from a mouse chip that will help you with pre-validated IIoT gateway blueprint all the way from hardware to agentic AI. One of the most common questions we hear is where do we start and how do we start? We recommend you to start with a simple pilot with a single process or a single machine or a single production line rather than focusing on entire plant. For example, you may focus on your critical assets, or you may focus on quality where you see bottlenecks, or you may start a small pilot on digitization of manual inspection activities. Please remember, the objective is not to digitize everything at once. The objective is to demonstrate quick business value with these simple and focused pilots. So think big, start small, and scale fast. This should be your approach. Please note this approach significantly reduces your risk and at the same time, it will accelerate your journey towards intelligent manufacturing.